Hey y'all, this is Joey at Best Trailers here. Here today I have a nice trailer I want to show you. This is a 24-foot down to earth. It's got the drive over fenders on it with the wide body. We'll raise the bed up just a little bit and then extend the body out, reinforce the fenders where you can drive your equipment over it if you got a wide equipment. Real versatile trailer. This is a popular color we've been doing. This was desert sand. All down to earth trailers are powder coated front to back. You've got LED bullet lights going down the sides as well as DOT tape, stake pockets, and rub rails. It's got a 10,000-pound jack with an adjustable coupler. This is the 14,000-pound model. They do it in 14,000-pound and 16,000-pound. Both of them will be 8 lug. Like I said, the fenders are reinforced as channel fenders. You only have a little bit of a lift there, about 4 or 5 inches. Drive right over that. Now this one does have an upgrade on it. It's got the upgraded ramps. They're a little bit wider. Also got more cross braces in them and expanded metal added to them. We added a spring assist on it to help you lift it up and down. And you can still move them in and out. You got about 6-8 inches of travel there. Adjustable drop legs too if you ever need to adjust the leg height. Treated 2x8 wood floor. Headache bar on the front as well as a spare tire mount on the passenger side of the trailer. Again, this is a 24-foot. This model comes in 20, 22, and 24 foot. Come see us today. We're in Byron, Georgia.